We've all been there. A frantic scramble through menus, a sinking feeling as customers tap their feet, and the silent judgment from the cashier who just wants to scan and move on. But what if adding new items to Epos Now could be a breeze? What if you could transform that frantic search into a smooth, one-minute operation? Well, fret no more. Today's video is your shortcut to Epos Now mastery. We'll be diving deep into adding items, from the most basic details to some cool hidden features that can take your product management to the next level. So, whether you're a seasoned Epos Now user or a complete beginner just setting up your system, this video will equip you with the knowledge to add products quickly and efficiently. First things first, let's get logged in. Head over to your Epos Now back office and sign in. Once you're in, we need to navigate to the Product Control Center. This is where the magic happens. Now, depending on your version of Epos Now, the navigation might look slightly different. But worry not, it's usually a simple two-step process. Look for a tab or menu option labeled Manage on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you click on that, you should see another menu pop out, and that's where you'll find the golden ticket, Products, and then Products list. Alright, now we're talking. This is the Product HQ, the central nervous system of your inventory. Here you'll see a list of all your existing items, neatly organized. But don't get distracted by browsing just yet. Our mission today is to add a brand new shiny product to this collection. Look for a button that says, Add Product. It's usually located in the top right corner. Click on that, and voila! A new window will pop up, ready for you to unleash your product creation skills. Here's where the fun begins. Epos Now gives you a bunch of options to define your product in detail. Let's break down the key ones. Product name. This is the star of the show, the name that will appear on your customer screen and ring up on the register. Keep it clear, concise, and easy to understand. Description. This is your chance to shine. Use this space to tell your product story. Highlight its features, benefits, and anything else that might entice a customer. Tax rate. Don't forget about the tax man. Select the appropriate tax rate for your product category. Sale price. This is the price your customers will pay. Make sure it includes tax. Now, Epos Now offers some additional features that can really elevate your product management game. Let's explore a few. Cost price. This is how much it costs you to acquire the product. Tracking this allows you to calculate your profit margin. Categories. Organize your products into categories like food, drinks, or electronics. This makes it easier for you and your staff to find things quickly. Images. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially online. Upload a high-quality image of your product to make it stand out. Remember, you don't have to fill out every single field. But the more information you provide, the better organized your system will be. Once you've filled in the details to your satisfaction, hit that sweet Save button, and boom! Your new product is now a part of your Epos Now family. Now, you might be wondering, can I add multiple items at once? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. Epos Now allows you to import products from a CSV file. This is a lifesaver if you're adding a large inventory at once. Just make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, with each product detail in a separate column. Epos Now has resources available to help you with the format, so don't be shy about checking those out. That's the basic rundown of adding items to Epos Now. By now, you should be a pro at creating new products and keeping your inventory nice and organized. Remember, a well-managed inventory system is key to a smooth-running business. No more frantic searches. No more frustrated cashiers. Just happy customers and a happy you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your Epos Now game strong.